we have to download Amazon in the Play Store, and once you've downloaded it, you should enter it. And now we have to create an account. Since I'm already a customer, we'll just have to log in. And here we are in the Amazon app. Now we will have to search for the item that you're looking for. For example, I will search recording mic. And now, we will have to add this to our basket. There it is, right here. Next, we're gonna search for a selfie stick or a vlogging stick. Here are the results. Okay, so I have found this. Now we will add it to our basket. Now, since it's added to our basket, here it is. Now, we will proceed to check out. Amazon will ask you your shipping address. And now we will deliver to this address. And then you have to choose a delivery option that you like. Amazon Global Priority or Amazon. And then click continue. And then there you go, your order has been completed. Make sure to check your email frequently to see updates about your order.